How to allow or disallow downloading your videos from Rednote app. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through on how you can enable or disable the option of your video being downloaded by other people. So if you're wondering how you can do that, these are processes you may follow up, and you should also be able to control your download settings for other people in your Rednote application. So first of all, go ahead and launch your Rednote app and make sure you're logged in. After you're logged in, you can go ahead and tap on your profile at the Me tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you have reached here, you can go ahead and tap on this gear icon right beside your profile. Just tap on it and you will be taken to the section. So under here, you're going to look out for the option called privacy settings. Just go ahead and tap on it. And after you reach here, you can easily find this option called allow download my videos, which is right here. So here you can see an toggle option. So if you want other people to download your videos, the permission, you can go ahead and enable this option. But if you don't want other people to download your videos that you posted, you can go ahead and disable this option, and other people won't be able to download your videos. So that is it. So that is very easy and straightforward process that allows other people to download your video, or you can disable that option as well. Therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.